Hi everyone. Firstly, thank you for choosing to watch the video. This is a video of my room at the Michelangelo Grand Hotel in the beautiful city of Prague. So let's go straight towards the bedroom area. And what we'll do is we'll have a look around the bedroom and come back and look at the bathroom on the way back. Okay, so here we go. Beautiful, spacious bedroom area. Lovely wooden floor rather than carpet. Uh, I love those colors on the bed, by the way. That was a very comfortable bed. But yeah, I love that deep red kind of cushions and throw on there. Thought it was very effective. Luggage rack. And beside that, there was a safety deposit box and a shelf above that. And there's a couple of little boxes of like shoe shining materials on that. Lovely little touches like that. Plenty of hanging space there as well. Bedside locker, reading light. Each side had a bedside locker. Each side of the bed had a bedside locker with a reading light and the light switches, charging unit, and electric socket as well. Okay, so I wanted to maybe give you a look at the view outside the window as well, but I couldn't. We checked in the evening, which is when I filmed this video, so there would have been nothing to see. So there we go. Couple of chairs, table, complimentary bottle of water, a coffee machine, which I've not seen in many hotel rooms, if any, in my time, with some specialty coffees there. There's also a bottle of Prosecco, which was complimentary. Nice little touch there. And of course, the TV. The TV was a very ample size at the on the wall at the foot of the bed. So moving it towards the bathroom area, we come to the full-length mirror just outside the bathroom. And beside that, you might just notice on the wall, just to the left of that, oh hi, there is like a shoe horn and a brush to polish your shoes with as well. Very nice little touches there, which again, I've not seen everywhere in a lot of hotel rooms. Now the bathroom itself, very clean. Usual things like a shower tray, toilet, sink, ample supply of towels. There was an ample supply of soaps as well. There was the heated towel rack here at the back of the shower unit. And the walls were clean, the floor was clean, everything was spotless. It was very hygienic, very clean. Two shower heads there as well. So all in all, lovely hotel room, very clean, very comfortable. Got a great few nights sleep while I was there. Thanks for watching the video. See you again soon. Bye.